Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Fitri Sulistiawati Dewi and I'm a student at School of Postgraduate Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I would like to talk about my research. The title is Inventory of Multi-Representation Abilities of 10th grade high school students on the topic of motion kinematic. The first part is introduction. The development of technology and the increasingly broad list of science makes physics one of the main sciences that become important to be taught in school to support the development of science and technology. Competence in kinematics is a fundamental competency in the field of physics. Students are expected to be able to link various physical quantities of displacement, speed, and acceleration to describe and compare various types of motion, and be able to experiment, make, read, and use table, diagrams, and graph to refer motion. Fact on the ground shows conditions that are different from the ideal condition that must be achieved. Many students fail to understand physics as a whole, and most of them only have a partial understanding. Difficulties and problems of students to understand a concept is very diverse because the ability of each student also varies. Some students are able to understand a concept only by verbal explanation or pictorial. Still, some students can only understand learning after being given a verbal explanation and a picture. They only understand when given additional explanation, such as assisting with pictorial mathematical equation and other. The topic of kinematic is closely related to experimenting, making, reading, and using table diagram and graph to express motion, so an appropriate representation is needed to explain it. Representation is something that symbolizes or describes an object and or process. Representation in physics, including verbal representation, pictorial, diagram, graph, computer simulation, mathematical equation, etc. This is in line with research conducted before that saw physics learning using multi-representation approaches can improve student cognitive ability and problem-solving ability. Learning by using multi-representation can help students solve a problem, communicate well, make learning more meaningful, and can build a deeper understanding. In this research, we realized that physics representation models based on multi-representation could be used to determine the improvement of problem-solving abilities in school. This research, the purpose of this research was to analyze the initial multi-representation abilities processed by high school students on the topic of motion kinematic. Next, methodology. The population of this study were all of 10-year students in one of the state high schools in Pandeglang Regency in the 2019-2020 school year. The sample is determined by the random sampling method, which is one class. This research was conducted with a non-experimental quantitative method. The instrument used was a multi-representation ability test in the form of 10 multiple-choice items of 10th grade kinematic material of the first semester. The validity of the instrument item was determined using the product moment correlation technique, or Pearson, and the validity coefficient was obtained between 0.42 moderate to 0.61 high. KR21 determined instrument reliability and a coefficient of 0.40 was obtained with moderate criteria. The data collected were analyzed through an assessment rubric using descriptive analytical technique. Next, result and discussion. Representation ability. Table 1 showed that overall student representation capability amount to 37%. The ability to representation in various aspects which is the most significant translation, interpretation, and extrapolation capabilities in the ability to interpret the interpretation aspect of 40%, the translation aspect of 36%, and the lowest in the interpolation extrapolation aspect of 31%. The interpretation aspect can be better strength compared to other aspects. It shows that more can interpret a form of representation into another form of representation. The ability of transparency is significantly lower than the interpretation ability. It shows students a little difficulty when asked to change a representation into another representation. The ability of interpolation extrapolation is the lowest. That shows that students have difficulty in predicting an event that based on previously existing data. Extrapolation, interpolation capabilities are based on translation and interpretation capabilities, so that ability will be good if other abilities are excellent. Next, multi-representation ability. Figure 1 shows a bar diagram of the percentage of student multi-representation ability. The percentage of multi-representation ability from the largest to the smallest is the ability to change a dead representation into other representation, verbal, graphical, pictorial, and mathematical equation. Overall, verbal multi-representation ability shows the highest presentation. 50% of students were able to answer questions correctly. The second sequence is the ability to represent image with a percentage of the multi-representation ability of 40%. The next sequence is the ability to represent mathematical equation with a percentage of the multi-representation ability of 39%. The lowest ability of representation is the ability to represent graph. Only 24% of students answer the problem correctly, meaning that there are 76% of students who find it difficult to change a representation into a graphical representation. Some factors are thought to be the cause of low multi-representation capability, namely the quality of the teaching materials used relating to the learning habit of the training. The multi-representation capability the student process is aligned with the learning done in classroom, especially on the teaching materials used. Textbook that students use mostly contain verbal explanation and mathematical equation or formula, some of which are equipped with image but rarely include chart, table, diagram, and other representation. This is the reason why the graphic representation is difficult for students to understand. In addition, the student habit regarding the problem of physics that emphasize the use of mathematical formulas and memorizing, not to solve problem or problem solving using the concept of physics. Next, the conclusion. The overall representation ability of students by 37%. The percentage of the ability of representation in each aspect is the ability of translation, interpretation, interpolation, extrapolation, with the most significant aspect of interpretation. It is equal to 40%. Then the translational aspect of 36% and the lowest in the aspect of the interpolation, extrapolation, that is equal to 31%. The analysis of the result of the student multi-representation ability profile on motion kinematic material as a whole is still in the low category. The highest percentage obtained in the verbal representation ability of 50% and the smallest presentation of 24% on the graph representation. Some factors that might cause the low ability of multi-representation are related to the teaching ability in motion kinematic materials used, so that they are related to the learning habit being trained. The ability can be trained by getting involved in improving multiple representation in problem-solving strategies. Okay, thank you very much for your great attention. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.